Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Theta and TFUEL. Only 7 days are left in release of mainnet 3.0 and TFUEL has already broken out the resistance, and we are also waiting for the breakout by Theta as well because it is still moving in this down channel. And this was a video that I shared almost 2 weeks ago with you guys when I told you that the price action of TFUEL has broken out the resistance and we can expect a big move now. And then the price action even rallied beyond 60 cents. And yesterday, after the yesterday drop, the price action of TFUEL and Theta both completed another bullish harmonic moves. Like TFUEL completed the bullish shark pattern that I shared yesterday at the Patreon. And by the way, if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video description you can find there. Okay, yesterday the TFUEL was entered in the buying zone of the bullish shark move, and the Theta entered in the buying zone of the bullish bat. Let me to play the chart for you guys, then I'll move forward and show you the current analysis, what the price action is doing at this time. Okay, this was the chart, and these were the buying and sell targets. This was our entry from 42.8 cents to 38.08 cents, and the sell targets, if you're a day trader, for you were 47.9 cents to 58.29 cents. And we can see that at that time it was moving at 42.7 cents. That was below our entry level. So that was in the buying zone. And now I'm just going to play this chart, and we can see that the price action has reached in this sell zone. Let me just show you, it is taking some time. And you can see that the price action is moved up and hit the sell zone that starts from 47.9 cents and ends up to 58.29 cents. But I'll show you how the price action can continue this rally from here. Okay, now let's move to the live daily time frame chart, and this was the resistance of that broadening formation that previously we have been watching in my previous videos. That the price action broke out this resistance on this broadening formation here, and the date at that time was 3rd of June, and the price action even retested here and moved up again, retested here and again moved up, and yesterday the price action has again retested this very strong support for the price action. Previously it was working as a resistance, now it has turned into the support, and now we can expect another move to the upside from here. But here the price action has found a very strong resistance at 60 cents. However, we have a support of a big event, that is the mainnet, the release of mainnet 3.0 within 7 days, and I'm expecting before that the price action can hit this 60 cents level, even break out the 60 cents level, and it can start a very big move from here, because we have already tested this support 2 times, this one, and now the price action can start the next rally from here. Once the 60 cents level will be broken out, then we can expect a massive rally from there. Now let's take a look at the Theta, and yesterday the Theta completed a bullish bat that I shared at the Patreon. This was the chart, and I'm going to play this chart as well to show you the result of this chart, how the price action behaved. And by the way, this was the 2-day chart, the bigger than the TFUEL, and I'm just taking you to the chart, and you can see that the price action was it completed this fine leg of the bullish bat, and it was just moved above this buying zone. I was a bit late to publish this chart because the buying zone starts from $5.26 and ends up to 4.60, and we have seen that the price action moved up to $5.24. That was just spike in the buying zone, and when I published this chart, I was a bit late. It was moving at 6.38. I was expecting it will give us another chance to catch it from the buying zone, and now we can see that the price action is moving at let me just show you from the live daily chart, because that was a 2-day chart that is not showing correctly. Now here we can see that the price action today has rallied up to $7.52. Now it is moving to upside to hit this resistance of the down channel, and at the same time we can see it is moving very well with the Bitcoin, like here on 19th of May, and here the TFUEL. This is the Bitcoin chart, this one, and above we have this TFUEL chart. On 19th of May, it was at the support, the TFUEL was at the support, the Bitcoin was at the support. Then Bitcoin here reached here on 26th of May. It reached at the resistance, and on 26th of May, the price action of TFUEL was not able to reach the resistance. However, it recovered well because it was moved beyond this support of this down channel. Then in the next rally, when the price action moved down, it moved down less than the Bitcoin. And when the price action moved up, the Bitcoin moved up. The TFUEL also moved up. And in yesterday's rally, the price action of Bitcoin even rallied beyond this support of this parallel channel that the Bitcoin has formed on the daily time frame chart. And here it rallied to the downside exactly where it has the support and bounced back to the from the support. Now we can expect that it will again move to the upside, at least up to this resistance of the down channel, like it has been doing previously very well. You can see whenever it is getting rejected by the supports, it is moving to the down channel's resistance every time. Therefore, we can expect that this time it can hit $10. That is the resistance of this down channel. And once that's TFUEL, as it is already moving to the upside, we can see that it is turned bullish from this buying zone of the shark move, and Theta is turned bullish from the buying zone of this bullish back move. Then we can expect the TFUEL will hit the resistance of 60 cents. And after breaking out this 60 cents resistance level, the TFUEL can even turn more bullish. And I'm expecting that soon the Theta will be also able to get out from this resistance of this down channel, and after that the Theta will be turned very strong bullish like TFUEL is already. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.